Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete search history on YouTube. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up YouTube application on your mobile phone. So after opening up YouTube application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply click on the top below right corner of your profile. By just tapping on your profile will be opened. Here you have to just simply click on the top right corner of settings. So in the settings, you have to just simply don't worry about it and simply click on the manage all history, which is here below to watch on TV. So you have to just simply click on this option, manage all history. So it will manage your all history data of your YouTube. So you have to just simply click on it, and it will take some time because it is redirecting the data of the history. So we should just wait for time. So here, after waiting some time, you guys will be able to see this kind of interface will appear. So here you have to just simply click on this delete button. So after clicking on this delete button, it will provide you three drop down menu and that three options. So in the drop down menu, you have three options and you have to just simply select according to your needs. The first option is delete today. So it will delete the history just for today, the whole videos which you have did on the today's. So it will delete all of these videos from the history. And the second one is delete custom range. So you guys can also add a custom range by just specifying the date and time. After specifying the date, you have to just simply click on delete, and your custom range specific history will be deleted. Or if you want to delete the history from all time and previously all the history, so you have to simply click on this third option. I'll recommend you to do third step because lots of people don't want previous history. So you have to just simply click on this delete all time. So after clicking on this delete all time, your all previously YouTube search history will be deleted. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.